In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn duplicated text into a clean vector shape using outline stroke. We'll walk through a simple workflow you can use in a vector design app like Figma to create a convertible, editable shape while keeping your original text safe and intact. First, click on the text you want to convert. Make sure you've selected the actual text layer in your canvas so you're working with the correct element. This ensures the next steps apply to the right object and you don't accidentally modify other elements on your artboard. Now duplicate it by pressing and holding the Alt key while dragging the text. This creates a copy you can convert without touching your original. Keeping an untouched original nearby is a smart habit because once you convert a copy to a vector, it will no longer be editable as live text. If you ever need to change the wording or the font later, your original remains ready to use. With the duplicated text selected, right-click on the duplicate. In the context menu that appears, click on Outline Stroke. This action converts the object's stroke into a filled vector shape. Practically, it freezes the appearance so it scales and renders precisely as you see it, and it eliminates issues like variable stroke thickness when resizing. Keep in mind that after this step, you're working with a shape, not a text layer, so font and character settings won't apply anymore. Next, look to the left side of your interface where the Layers panel lives and scroll down if needed. Depending on how your file is organized, the newly outlined object may appear slightly lower in the list, especially if it sits within a frame or group. Scrolling helps you locate the new layer created by the outline operation. When you see it, click on the layer labeled Vector. That label indicates the text has been converted into a vector path. Selecting this vector layer lets you treat the object like any other shape. You can adjust its fill, apply gradients or effects that depend on solid shapes, and if you switch into vector editing, refine individual points and curves for precise control. That's it. You clicked your text, duplicated it by pressing Alt to keep an editable original, right-click the duplicate, and chose Outline Stroke, then scrolled the left panel and clicked on the vector layer to work with your new shape. Use this approach anytime you need pixel-perfect, scalable lettering without relying on live text formatting.